Hey everyone, John Chow here from johnchow.com, and today I have an unboxing and review of the DigitalLife U2AUDIO7-1 sound card. Let's open it. Okay, this is a external sound card, so it's not plugged into a PCI Express of a computer, but it's meant to work with computers, laptops, and pretty much anything except an audio output. So, pretty cool packaging. Sound card itself. Input output. USB, charging, and the various controls. USB cable. And quick installation guide. The unit is made out of plastic and it feels awfully light, almost like there's nothing inside. At the very top is separate left and right channel outputs. At the front of the display we see buttons for volume up and down, as well as a mic mute and a volume mute. On the side, we see the SPDIF input and output, as well as a USB power. And on the other side, we see a headphone line out, as well as the audio line in. And then we see the surround, the front, center, bass, and rear outputs. The only cable it comes with is a power cable, which plugs into here, and that's all great and fine. But there is no line in cable, so that might be an issue for a lot of people, because in order for you to hook up your computer or your laptop onto the sound card, you need a line in audio cable, and most laptop computers don't come with that. So luckily I do have one, so you will need a line in audio cable if you wish to use this. So it doesn't come with it, so make sure you have one. Otherwise, you can't use it. Power, there you go. Power light is on. Now audio input. So this is the audio out. And then we'll plug it into the audio line in. And then we'll just plug in the headphones. So I have here my Bose headphones, and that goes into the line headphone output. The cool thing about this sound card is it can provide 7.1 audio to stereo headphones. So I'm gonna take a listen to this and see how it sounds. Okay, let's watch Star Trek Strange New World and see how it sounds. Oh wow. Whoa. Actually, that's pretty good. The Enterprise just flew by. I could clearly visualize it from the back to the front. That's impressive. Oh, okay. Just for comparison, I'm gonna unplug it and plug it directly into the computer, into my laptop, my MacBook here, and see how that sounds. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Let's plug it back in. Let's plug it back in. I want to hear this again. Oh wow, that makes a pretty damn good difference. I'm impressed. I'm impressed. Wow. Okay, so this is the U2AUDIO7.1 by DigitalLife. It's pretty cool. To take maximum advantage of it, I recommend you get some dedicated speaker, like center, front, surrounds, and back, to really get the full surround sound effect. I mean, it works okay with standard headphones. It does create that surround effect, but it won't be as great as having a dedicated surround speaker setup. Right? So this unit sells for $56, $55.99 direct from DigitalLife, and I'll have a link to this product below this video if you want to check it out. If you're looking to improve the sound from your computer, your laptop, you want to improve it, and this will do it. I'm actually quite impressed by it. I like that it's portable, so you can use it with a laptop. You can take it with you, which is kind of cool. The cable, a little long, so a little cumbersome, and you will need to get, of course, a separate audio lining cable. It does not come with it, so factor that in to the cost as well. But if you already have one of these, you're all set, ready to go. All right, so like I said, link to this product below this video. You want to check it out. $55.99 direct from DigitalLife. JohnChapmanJohnChap.com. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, like and share it, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time.